Zero marketing.
Zero marketing.
See,
Let's
see?
go in there.
They're going there.
So we have pharmacy, we have
We did not get before this one.
then
Okay,
there's
wala tao diri.
No, this in the night one before.
other
Kung
clubs.
kariyo ka sang kiyo daw ka kwarta, mabis ka
Wiki
naman.
restaurant. What
Kung ikaw man lang
is that
naga
name?
trying hard to pick up.
Laundry.
Laundry. Al Rawabi food staff. Al Rawabi here.
Napoli Steako. Oxygen Laundry.
Talabat. What is Talabat? Tabli.
Steak.
Steako.
Hatab. SMX. Tosi.
Pala.
Very less
Tanawan.
people.
Yeah.
Pero less people lang.
Less people.
Dapat dira siya, oh.
This one boutique
She
opening.
should open there, oh.
Yeah.
Near in petrol.
Then she will at least get more customers. She did two things wrong. One,
Yeah.
she's doing the marketing extremely wrong. The other is location. Most of the shops that are closed now. Maybe it's 11, that's why, or maybe because they are earning only 200
Oh.
riyal per day.
There is hot tea also there.
Yeah, should be there, maybe. The coffee.
Tapos natin yung galing na marketing.
Because also, if you will open coffee shop, it should have
Tama
one
na, hindi ka na maging
unique
mabalik.
good, unique drink or unique food.
I feel bad. But she's Qatari, she has money. How do you feel?
But she's struggling.
First time ko experience ang pinaka-tutay-tutay nga na ako dito. Hindi to yung normal na mga. Namatang gamay-gamay.
Kaya yun ang gusto ng kuya.
dancers and one video dancer. If she wants to direct influencer,
Thank you so much, Clyde. Thank you.
I will give them.
or chef.
Chef, I want to put Chef Nikolai because I think Chef Nikolai is much.
Ano yan, Jack?
Dito sa park is full for it.
Sissy hasn't.
Pinagyan ng 50. Wala lang.
I'm joking.
It's very big. Ay, yung isa.
Flash, flash. These are not popular reels. Popular reels now use fuck. No, you know. We should lead the content. She can't prepare anything.
This is for
Good talk. These ones is this one. Should we get these ones?
This Fatima, not Batu. Because I always there at the printing shop and I take time. She's not like, no, me first, me. She's not like that. She's like, okay, let her finish first, then I will. And then she comes back, I'm not yet finished. She said, okay, I will come tomorrow.
Oh
Is
my
it like
God.
that?
Yeah. She's not like invited to
She saw us.
Yeah.
In the camera.
So that's why she's coming to her stuff. 100, 200 in a day. Oh my God.
And then I asked the staff
salary is also less than.
Less, no?
Should be. Because if they're that dumb, why are you paying them?
I told her, you should put always cafe songs. Then you should tell your staff to upsell, especially the specialties of the cafe. But I said they're very accommodating and nice. But she said, yes, I told them to put on songs. Okay, I will tell them again when I come. And then I told her, but
You need to introduce the recommendation. Like Vishal,